Why would you rent when you can own? Only if you want to make the rental companies rich.
As a Clarity member, we've got you covered. Clarity is a better way to own mechanical equipment in your home. With a monthly payment, you get not only the equipment, but a guarantee of maintenance and no surprise repair bills. Clarity is not a rental program. It might look and feel like one because it's simple and there's a monthly payment, but it gives you the driver's seat. You're in control and you own the equipment.
Clarity provides you the opportunity to own your own equipment and enjoy all the benefits that rental includes.
Clarity offers peace of mind.
Clarity is for everyone. Whether you're looking for a simple monthly payment or you're trying to take care of a property that you own for a tenant or for a loved one, it's one simple way to guarantee that you don't run into home comfort issues. One of the best parts of Clarity for homeowners is that it's hands-off. Every year, we're going to call you to schedule the maintenance on your equipment. You're guaranteed that for 12 years, you're getting the best care and attention to that equipment. Best of all, you own it. No surprise bills.
Clarity by ClimateCare is all about easy monthly payments and total peace of mind in your home comfort system. Speak to your local ClimateCare member about how you can get started with Clarity by ClimateCare.
There are so many benefits to Clarity, but the key ones are that your equipment is looked after. Every year, your ClimateCare contractor will come out and take care of it for you. And if you end up in a situation where you do need help, no problem. A quick call away and absolutely no repair bill. Clarity is the best way to make sure that you're choosing the best equipment, getting guaranteed annual maintenance, and don't end up with any surprise repair bills.
Signing up for Clarity is as easy as 1, 2, 3.
Meet with a comfort advisor, select the best equipment for your home and your preferences, and then sign up to the program that rolls in the automatic maintenance and extended warranty for your equipment.
Clarity by ClimateCare is an all-inclusive home comfort program. Just make an appointment with your local ClimateCare member, and they'd be happy to start you on the journey of worry-free home comfort.
You have a budget, we have a payment plan to match it.
Seasons change. Your home comfort should. Clarity by ClimateCare.